Hello. This is me waving. Hello. Good job, baby. Hello again. This is a double hellos. Huh? Hi, baby. Can you smile? Oh, you stick your tongue out. Yum, yum, yum. That's a big tongue you have.
You saw this already?
Oh. Yeah. Oop. Oop. We're just practicing our tongue movements. Tongue movements today. Hi, baby. Bubbles. Oh, there's a tongue. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, yeah. We were cranky yesterday, huh? Today we're much better. Yeah. We like to show off our tongue there. Always sticking out our tongue, huh, baby? Oh, what is that? You find that funny. That was funny, wasn't it?
Da 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 do 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 do.
What's up? What's up, baby? What's up? Hey, baby. Hey, baby. You look so suspicious. Why we look so suspicious? Always look so suspicious, huh? Huh, and Ethan was making some sounds. Now we're just looking suspicious. Now we're just gonna look suspicious. Yeah, we knew that was coming. Wink. Wink. Yeah. Yeah. Tuesday. Happy 6-week to me. Yay. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Good morning.
You know it.
Aww.
I love you. You're so cute, baby. Hi.
Hey, baby. Oh, are we pouting? Oh. Oh, what is that? It's already 7:30 at night. Ooh. Big yawn, big yawn. Yawn. Ah, so hard to wake up from a nap, isn't it? That was a weird yawn, Ethan. What is that? Another big yawn? Whoa. Hi, baby. Whoa, good morning. But we're having big yawns, huh? Big. Oh, yawn.
What's that mean? Me? Ooh.
Hi, baby. Oh, bless you.
Ooh, bless you, baby.
Every time we... Oh, bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Oh, that was nothing to say. That was a sneeze. Ooh. That's a good sound. Oh. Oh. Alright. I think someone's getting hungry. Yeah, so excited. Rub, 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 rub. It makes his skin so bad. Daddy laughing at you, baby. You're getting slobber over Daddy's shirt and dead skin.